How to change Spotify country 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to change Spotify country 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So if we head over to our Spotify right here and click on the settings, as you can see there is no setting to change your country. So what you need to do is to head over to your browser, then head over to open.spotify.com. Then from there, just click on the settings icon. Click on this view account right here, and this will view to be in here. So just scroll down, click on edit profile, and then from in there you can see your country and region. But as you can see, there's only one country or region. So what you need to do is to just head over to your Play Store, and then from in there just search for VPN. And then you can download any VPN that you want. I recommend this one right here, and then you can just connect to any country that you want. So for example, you want to connect to United States, and once you have connected on that, you need to head back to Spotify, refresh this page right here, and the United States should be able to appear in here. So just use a VPN in order to do this. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change Spotify country 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.